Hey, welcome back to Corbellic Studios. Today we're going
And you can do this yourself. You can have a system that's already built for you. Everything that you need to do to push out art. I remember the days where I wasn't able to sell any art, and I would have just been so blessed and thankful just to even do one of these boxes. Now this is just a weekend. This is just a weekend order where we're shipping out 100 paintings because we stayed prepared. We stayed ready. About inside the art community. Look, obviously the old one. Look how old and busted it looks. And then this one, it looks like it's the same. Only thing I typed in on the Amazon was Jin Hu, seeing if I could pull this brand up, but they didn't have it available, and they have this. So
I am copying his title, putting it in the title of my document, and changing my first name. Instead of Corbellic, it says me, and instead of the title of his titles are SEO proven. They are kicking butt.
I mean, you just follow your little program, and I just start like experimenting with like different things. Boom, I find a winning style. I'm like, dude, it's working now. It's all coming together.
First, I want to say this group is absolutely awesome. It's the best group I've ever been involved with under any circumstances. So encouraging and supportive and caring. I love this group.
Motivating me to even do more artwork just for the sake of the community. I mean, it's great just to produce art, whether it's selling or not. It's just such diversity in art and skill and aesthetic. And I've not had this many artist friends in my entire career. And I've been around the world and done a lot of cool things, I would say. But to really kind of reintroduce to the art community in this sort of way, I think this is one of the greatest things you probably have put together for us. It's, to me, it's almost even more important than the sales. It's just a community where you can be expressive and without any guilt or without any sort of judgment. So it's really, I would say it's addictive. And so, hey.
The guidance that I've gotten so far from and the support from this group has been tremendous. I'm actually using it as a dopamine hit as well, just to see everybody else's work.
Oh wow, the Freddy is at 1650. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh man, it's working. The plan is working for sure. So as you can see, I got plenty of bids. I believe that the Corbellic studio system worked as far as my business is concerned.